welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Linzer Cookies. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Let's get started. For the cookie base, what you're first going to need is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of almond flour, a pinch of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, because you can never have enough cinnamon. And we're just gonna whisk it all together. Just like so. And this is how it should look. So we're gonna start off with another mixture. We're gonna add in 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And like the other one, whisk it all together. Okay, baby boos, now it's time to make the other mixture. We're in a stand mixer. You're going to mix 1/2 cup of white sugar and a stick of softened butter. And we're gonna mix it up for 3 to 4 minutes. Now that I've finished mixing it up, now we're gonna add in our vanilla and egg mixture, as well as our dry ingredients. And now let's mix it back up. This time you wanna go a little slower because you do have dry ingredients in here, and then when there's dry ingredients, you don't wanna mix it up all fast because then it's gonna fly everywhere. Okay, baby boos, now that my dough's finished, I have half of my dough on here and shaped into a disc. So, I have cling wrap, my disc-shaped dough, and more cling wrap on top. And we're just gonna roll it into a 1/8 inch. And we're just gonna keep it nice and in there. You wanna keep it the disc shape because it's gonna make the cookies better. So this is how it should look now, and discfully. I'm gonna do the other half off of camera. After you're done with both of the dough, half the doughs, you're gonna put it in the freezer for 30 minutes and take it out when it's done. My dough has been in the freezer for 30 minutes and now I just took it out. Now I have a pan here, a large pan sprayed with some coconut oil. I have a flour cookie cutter in celebration of Easter, a piping tip. So what I'm first gonna do is I'm gonna cut out a cookie. How cute that is. Right here. We're gonna get your piping tip and you're gonna cut it in the middle. And it should look like that. Then you're gonna grab your cookie cutter, get another one, and this is for the back side of the cookie. It's a little bit hard because it's something like that. And that's the cookie. And this is the back side. So I'll do the rest off camera. Okay, baby boos, my cookies are now all cut out. The ones without holes are for the bottom, the base. And the ones with holes are the top, so you can see the jelly filling and they look so pretty. I had a little bit extra cookie dough, so I made little circles, think little bites, cookie bites. But now that I finished these, I preheated my oven at 375, and I'm going to put these in the oven for 7 to 9 minutes or until they're golden brown. So let's pop these in the oven. Okay, babies, these are fresh out of the oven. Now it's time to top. Here I have, it's 1/2 cup of raspberry jelly with a teaspoon of water, and I melted it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So now I'm just gonna get 1/2 teaspoon, put it in the middle of the hole, and then I'm gonna get a cookie top, which is the one with the hole. I'm just gonna place it ever so slightly. This looks so good. It looks so perfect. And look how they look. They look so fancy and so perfect. I'm going to add the powdered sugar onto the cookies. You're excited. This is exciting. I'm so excited to show my family and my cousins because I know that these are my bottles. Also, okay, so the cookies are officially finished and they look so amazing and so delicious. Just look at that. They're perfect for spring. So happy spring, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take the middle one. Mmm.